Hey there, it's Mike from TechMinded, your AI brain for automation. I help professionals like you harness the power of AI to streamline both work and life tasks, making digital automation simple and stress-free. If you're ready to work smarter, not harder, hit that subscribe button, and let's transform your productivity with AI tools.
Choosing the right AI tools can be overwhelming, but they can dramatically transform your business operations for the better. These tools aren't mere novelties. They provide essential support that enhances efficiency and accuracy around the clock. So, which tools should businesses adopt? It's all about finding the right fit for your specific needs. First, examine easy implementation, cost-effectiveness, scalability potential, and user-friendly interfaces when selecting AI tools. Our top recommendation is the Administrative AI Assistant, designed to manage calendars and emails seamlessly and automatically. Imagine saving 15 to 20 hours monthly by using tools like Motion.ai and Reclaim.ai for intelligent scheduling and calendar management. Customer Service AI can transform interactions, respond to inquiries 24/7, and enhance response times significantly with ChatGPT Enterprise. Marketing automation AI tools like Copy.ai and Hootsuite can create targeted content and optimize social media efforts effectively. Data analysis AI helps decipher large datasets rapidly, and tools like Obviously AI offer no-code predictions with incredible accuracy. For a streamlined project workflow, adopting ClickUp with AI features and Notion AI will markedly enhance your team's productivity. Look at our other videos for demos on the tools mentioned in this video.
Thanks for learning about AI automation with me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay updated on the latest AI tools and automation strategies. Want to learn more? Check out the links below for my free AI implementation guides and recommended tools. Let's make technology work smarter for you. See you in the next video.